Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structure, copy array items using slice. The next method we will cover is slice. Rather than modifying an array, slice copies or extracts a given number of elements to new array. Leaving the array it is called upon untouched. Slice takes only two parameters. The first is index at which to begin extraction and the second is the index at which to stop extraction. Extraction will occur up to but not including the element at this index. Consider this. So we have example to showcase how slice method works. We have given we have been given an array which contains five elements: rain, snow, sleet, hail, and clear. We are using slice upon this array and we are giving a starting index 1 and ending index 3. So it stops before the third index. That means only snow and sleet are means removed, not removed, but copied from that array. So today weather, which is this variable, now equals to an array containing two elements, a snow and sleet. And weather condition is the array which contains all the five elements in this case, and these are same as before, so no changes there. In effect, we have created a new array by extracting elements from existing array. Task for this challenge: we have defined a function forecast that takes an array as an argument. Modify the function using slice to extract information from the argument array and return a new array that contains the element warm, sunny. In this case, we use ARR and slice method on this, and we will extract from third and we will in that warm and sunny. So third, fourth and fifth. So 3, 5. We have defined a function forecast that takes an array as an argument. Modify the function using slice to extract information from argument array and return a new array that contains the element warm and sunny. So in this case, we have to create a new array, or we can use it directly on this by create another variable. And okay, I have mistaken here. I have given third index which is fourth element, and since warm and sunny is and the second index, so warm, sunny. Now this looks good. Run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.